Well, we got into this spot and now it's time to see how we can get back out again. We're going to need a max track.
Just making sure there wasn't a body under there. Fortune favours the brave. Thought we might get bogged.
It's always a little unnerving to pass a 60-meter road train, but they are super friendly and they really appreciate it when you chat to them on UHF.
Thanks, mate. You too. Appreciate it.
And we are back in the Pilbara again. It is great to be back.
All the reds.
Very rusty and yellow spin effects and the hills. It's beautiful, beautiful landscape. So last couple of days we've been pedal to the metal, trying to put some miles behind us. We've made it all the way from James Price Point via Broome. We were there just a roadside stop last night and almost all the way down south back to Port Hedland. And now we are just going past Marble Bar. There is a place down this way called Carawine Gorge. I've heard a bit about it. It's meant to be really beautiful. And so we thought we'd check it out. Freedom Lands.
Time to air down.
Hitting the dirt.
Oh man, this is so stunning. Just these beautiful green trees. Oh, there's a cow.
It is a coal station.
Wow, this is amazing. Look at all, it's just so much room. It's so beautiful here. Oh, now, spoiled for choice. Now I don't know what to do. Where to go, where to go. Hello, cow.
Okay, so here we are.
Wow, this is amazing. The water and the cliff face of the gorge, so beautiful. Pretty happy with this spot. And my driving, just saying. Let's unhitch.
Well, the jockey wheel sinks straight into the stones, so we're going to need a max track. Yeah, even the max track, I can see it bending. Oh,
yeah,
wow.
the Max Trax does not love it at all.
Really didn't love how it was absolutely squishing the middle of the max track. So mostly, I obviously don't want to kill the max track, but also if it was bent out of shape, I wouldn't be able to get it back on the roof rack again. So found this little bit of plastic that obviously somebody else must have been using here for exactly the same purpose. And that seems to be working a lot better.
Oh, just making sure there wasn't a body under there. Sergey having fun trying to set up the internet.
Seriously, this cable is the bane of my life.
It's not his favourite.
It doesn't matter how you roll it up, inevitably a perfect coil ends up looking like this.
Fortune favours the brave. This is a big part of just living on the road and exploring new places. I was a little unnerved by the quite soft river rocks. Thought we might get bogged. That's a bit of a theme for us, as if you've been watching us for a while, you'll know that. But I didn't. I just didn't slow down at the wrong spot for a nice change. And look at the beautiful spot we got. Well, this is our first morning in Carawine Gorge. It's unbelievable. The reflections in the water from the gorge right at our camp is so mesmerising. It's hypnotic.
I've been staring at it for minutes and yeah, I don't know, I might have drifted off for a while.
This is by far the best it's hard to say. What do you think?
Oh, it's right up there, probably top 2 or 3 campsites in Australia that we've ever stayed at.
Absolutely. I mean, we're going to say free camps, but the best, with all of the best camps in our minds are free camps for lots of different reasons, but just they're always so remote and beautiful, often so remote and beautiful. But wow, this is definitely the top 2 or 3 best camps we've ever seen in Australia. The birds. We've had swallows, a little dove. What was the name of that dove?
Peaceful dove.
The peaceful dove. Whole families of swans with cygnets. So gorgeous. A few pelicans last night in the dusk just cruising along the water.
It is a nice time in the afternoon after work, and we're going to go for a little walk along the gorge and along the creek and have a look at some of the other campsites. You can hear the birds.
Yeah, there's a couple of wattle birds up here, just finally cool enough to have a little forage.
The bird life has been absolutely amazing. Oh, it has been very hot though.
Yeah.
And about 37 degrees, I think. But as soon as the sun goes behind the rock face, it is just so much cooler, and got a bit of a breeze there now. It's a little hard work walking on these river stones.
Good for the legs.
Good for the legs, but definitely need the boots. No good in thongs. And,
It's amazing how chopped up it is. Very soft.
yeah, well, that's why we were a bit nervous coming down here with the camper, but
Well, this far, yeah, where we are, it was, totally fine.
so we've just walked around the bend, and this creek, river, whatever it is it just keeps going and going. Looks like for kilometers. Amazing how much water there is here, especially in this dry time of the year.
And there's like numerous different sort of places to camp. At the other end, it's really sort of a bush setting and lots of trees. And then we've got the big gorge, which is where we are, which is the best spot in the whole place. And then further along where we are now, campfires right by the water. So this is all nice and flat and open. I think this might be the place I'm seeing little man-made mounds where people are getting their boats into the water.
Yeah, there's a little makeshift boat ramp here, and people are doing a bit of fishing and stuff. I'm just amazed that this place is just available to camp for free. The cattle station is allowing people to just come in, set up camp and enjoy. This could be a national park, seriously.
That is so true. It really is magnificent.
It's beautiful, a little warm, but nice and still. And we're going to go for a kayak. Woo!
A little warm. It's like 37 degrees.
It is.
It's even hot for me.
Yeah, that is pretty hot, but it'll be nice on the water. And this kayak has never seen fresh water. I love it. We've got a personal private beach access.
Your carriage awaits. Oh, it's so beautiful.
This water is just so refreshing on a 37-degree day. Lunchtime, pizza time. So impressed with this little air fryer. I have to say I was a little bit dubious about it when we were first thinking about buying one. I just wasn't sure how much power it would use, and power is always at a premium. But very pleasantly surprised. Just to cook a couple of pizzas. Honestly, we've probably only lost about 1 or 2% of power. Mind you, we're generating quite a bit at the moment, so yeah, it's probably just top it up. But yeah, really, really happy with this little thing. Perfect timing. Ho, ho, ho. Alrighty, well, we got into this spot when we arrived, and now it's time to see how we can get back out again. Alright, yep, okay, stop. Alright, so we got two choices. So we either need to reverse the van all the way back there, but it's pretty chopped up as well. We can do it, that's the way we came in. But it might be a little bit tricky once we actually get to the main ruts, or up here this way. So It's a bit of a rise there in the bump afterwards, and pretty narrow and steep, and yeah, it does look quite mushed up, but we're just going to give it a go. Don't run over me, okay?
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope we've managed to do these beautiful places justice through the lens.
What are some of your favourite free camps in WA? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, subscribe to our channel. There's more to come.
And please leave us a comment if you get a chance. We do love getting them and we answer all of them. See you in a fortnight.
See you next time.